walls are much cuter than that panda. Take my picture.
Hey, so what's going on here?
Not much. How's your been going?
Good, exciting. Too exciting. Had to take a break. Not a young. So, what you guys are doing?
We're gonna take pictures of it to submit to Cute Pest.
Brown hats in the garage.
I don't have any money to pay you. Find out what this key opens. You can have whatever's inside.
Wow, that sounds like a journey. That's to get some bad kid to hit the bricks. Listen, you look like a nice kid and all, but we're not going to be able to... Our eyes off your sweater. Soft? I mean, can I wear it without a t-shirt? You know how black guys sometimes wear sweaters? Fail! Sweet Charity, we're not taking your case.
It's my grandfather's legacy.
Legacy. You're lucky you said a word with legs. My only weakness. That's how I got this fog-horn keychain and this bag of legumes. Doctors will validate your parking. Steve, never give anyone bad news. You're a push-up.
Yeah, there you go.
I have to push out some
Much better. Get some air in there. Wait till you see this one on film.
Dad, but I'm not sure you understand what we do.
Nice and dry.
Tell you what, I'll run a 5 minutes.
Good. Go to the store and get some lemons.